Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifiok and I'm going to be making my daughter's hair today. So it's this bubble colorful hair style that I'm going to be doing for her, and I think it's a really pretty hairstyle. So first off, I'm going in with this hot comb. I'm not sure if it's got another name, but that's just what I've called it. Next off, a spray bottle with some water inside. So it's just water and leave-in conditioner that I've mixed in that bottle. And that's what I've just sprayed on her hair. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to just detangle the hair. Now, because the hair is natural, is quite like really tangled, so also going in with comb to the part I've just sectioned out. I'm just going to comb it. Next off is this rosemary kinky hair attachment. That's what I'm going to be using to comb the hair. Now when I pick out one pack like I'm currently holding, I divide that into 3. Now the reason why I'm using this extension is because obviously you can see her hair is not that long, and I want it to be a bit long, and also hair is not that full, so I'm just putting in the hair extension just so you can have more weight. So I'm just going to keep combing on this pattern. I'm just going to brush it nicely just so I can get all the tangles out. I also want the hair to be nice and smooth by the time I add in the hair extension. So I'm just going to brush it, detangle it. Next off, I'm just going to divide that pattern into 2, and then I would sandwich the hair extension. So that's kinky hair extension. I'm just going to put it in between the hair that I just parted into 2, and then I'm going to use the bubble to put it in, like to hold it in place. And then I'm also going to use the same extension to hold the attachments and the hair together. As you can see from what I've done, I'm just going to comb it out again. So this time I'm blending in the hair extension and my daughter's hair together, so it all blends in nicely. Then I'm going to leave like 2 to 3 inches and put in the next bubble. I'm just going to make them different colors. In between putting the bubble, I would also like open it up just so the hair is quite full as well, and I'll do that all the way to the end. Next off, I'll go to the next pattern. So at the bottom, I'm using 3 I've cut out 3 patterns. Open it up again, put the hair extension in, sandwiched it, then use the bubble, hold it down in place as you're going to see me doing. And then I'm also going to use the same hair bubble to hold all of the hair together, just so it all blends in nicely. I would brush them out, blend them in nicely, leave about 2 to 3 inches, and put in the next rubber band. Put it so it's just nice and strong, and then I would open up the bubble just so the puff or the ball comes out nicely. Leave another 2 to 3 inches and put in the next bubble, all the while using different colors, because the aim of the hairstyle is for it to be as nice and colorful as I can get it to be. Again, I'm just going to repeat the process all the way through. Now, one thing I need to mention is when I did the next line of hair, and I'm making it quite big as well. So when I did the next line of hair, I didn't make the lines to be the same as the previous one. So I made it like just before the previous one, just so it falls nicely, because it's like a bubble hairstyle. Don't want it to fall on itself. You want it to fall in between. So I'm going to use that same step and procedure up until I finish all of the hair. Do the bubble again all the way to the end, and then the tip of the hair, I just fold it in nicely and then use the bubble to hold it down in place. And also making the puff as I go along. Is worth mentioning that the puff needs to be like opened up, because that's where the beauty of the hairstyle comes into play. And the pattern I'm using for this hairstyle, because I don't want it to be all back and I don't want it to be center pattern, I did a side pattern for her. And you see how I'm going to do that by the time I get to the side of the hair. Okay, so now on the side of the hair, I've just done, this is the one side of the pattern. So where the line is where I'm going to be making the hair onto the other side. So I'm just showing you what the hair looks like all the way around. We're almost there now. Almost there now. This hair actually does take a long time to do. I didn't realize how much time I was gonna take. But anyways, we move. So the next part of the extension, I've just made that pattern, just sandwiching it again like I've been doing, and I'm just going to use the bubble to hold it in place, and then going to use the same bubble to hold all of that hair and the kinky extension all together, just so it makes one full bubble. um so yeah, that's what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna start putting the bubble in. Like, she was so excited about this hairstyle. She's always wanted this hairstyle since like before school closed. That's before the summer holiday. But I kept pushing and postponing and everything. So on this beautiful Sunday evening or afternoon, I'm like, okay, let's make your hair, because when we went on holiday, we did stay in water quite a lot. So I had to take out the braids I made for her before. So we had to do this hairstyle just the very last minute, and this is what the final look looks like. I'm so excited. Like, I'm excited like the hair is mine. And I'm planning to actually do this hairstyle for myself. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. If you like the content of this video, you know what to do. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. If you've got any questions, put in the comment section. You can see how excited she is. Turn on the bell notifications when I post any upcoming videos. You get notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.